Oh man, guys, it is gold. D Creator here, back with another video. I'm here with Aaron again. We are here with his Tacoma. And we're here with the FJ. We're about to do this versus that. Who do you think is gonna win in this -0 degrees?
-0.
-0. It is cold out here.
-0.
Probably like -1 degrees or maybe 1 degree, I don't know. It's definitely in the zeros. Yes, yes, when it's this cold, it's more than 1 zeros, okay? See how cold it is.
9 degrees before the windshield.
As you know, with the FJ, we did the snow test where we drove in the snow, went off-roading. Here's some clips of that. You know, with the Tacoma, we actually went off-roading in dirt and stuff like that. So let's see how it does racing in the snow. That's what we're gonna do. Who you think gonna win?
Me.
Conceited. You ready to go find the spot? All right, let's go do this. Let me go ahead and show you how cold it is. Yeah. Just gonna take a detour. All right, it's really cold. Really cold. But here's what we're gonna do. We got different tiers here. We got 4 tiers. This is the finish line. We're gonna start from all the way down there. We have the camera right here in the corner to detect who's gonna win. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's run down here. Hey, you went airborne on that last one. Unfortunately, I lost. But the only reason why I lost was because the FJ is not 100% my vehicle yet. So I didn't go as hard as Aaron did. Like I said, Aaron jumped the last tier, so there was no way I could have competed with that, especially when it's not my vehicle. On stock suspension. Aaron also has a leveling kit on his Tacoma as well. The FJ didn't have anything. But hey, it was still a pretty good race. I enjoyed it, Aaron enjoyed it, and also I'm thinking about doing other stuff with the FJ now. But Aaron, I know you watching this. I'm gonna come back for you, just wait. If you guys still want more off-roading content, check out these 2 videos right here. One for the FJ, one for Tacoma. And remember, the J in FJ stand for Jeep. I'm sorry.